Hi guys, I'm April from That Baby Nurse. Today I wanted to talk to you about breastfeeding. I ask my patients before I discharge, what is the number one thing you were unprepared for when giving birth? And the number one answer always, pretty much always, is breastfeeding and how hard it would be. I chalk this up to just growing up watching movies where babies just hop on the breast and feed and the woman goes about their day. Or when you do witness breastfeeding, it's typically in the later months, age 6 months to a year, when the kid's, worked out its GI tract and its tongue coordination, and the mom has worked with this kid for over 6 months, and it looks easy, right? It's usually never easy, and I just want to let you guys know, not to scare you, but so you can prepare, to give yourself some grace, to maybe speak about it. A lot of hospitals are very pro breastfeeding. They will audit our charts and make sure that we aren't offering formula. If we do give formula, we need to document a reason of why it was given. Was it the mom's choice? And if it was, we are required to document what the reasoning was, whether it was a medical choice, all sorts of reasons. So they're really on top of us to make you feel like breastfeeding has to be your option. But just to let you know that that's not true, that I believe, and I find when I talk to my patients a lot, they are relieved, but I believe that you are this baby's mother and you know what it's going to work for you guys together. And it's kind of like one of the most important first decisions you'll make as a mom. You want to do everything right. Of course you want to breastfeed. All the statistics tell you that, I basically felt like the statistics told me, hey, if you breastfeed, your kid's going to be this amazing person. And if you don't breastfeed, they're more likely to end up in prison and have a lower IQ. Honestly, that's what it felt like for me, even in nursing school, learning about breastfeeding. And I just think that's really unfair to women. And I think it's an issue that we don't talk about enough. So I just wanted to let you guys know that you're not alone, that breastfeeding is very challenging and hard, but doable. And that pre-education is important, a plan is important. I would encourage involving your husbands in this plan. Getting resources, free online education, even setting up an appointment with a lactation consultant prior to delivery. Basically set yourself up for success beforehand. But basically, I just wanted to be honest and have a free space to tell you that you're not doing anything wrong if you can't exclusively breastfeed. Thank you.